I was thinking of a 36-point strategy with the Nasdaq. That's so easy to get. 36 points on the Nasdaq is easy. I think she just hit 36 points already, if I'm not mistaken. Damn it. Why does it keep doing this? All right, so I don't have to do that again next time.
Tick. If you don't go down there, thank you, AQ. First TP hit. So
Yeah, so this move right here was 36 points. My bad, go ahead.
oh no, I'm just saying I gotta resort to recording. Recording versus streaming. So I'll upload it later or at some point today.
Okay. Yeah, so so if you got Top Step X, using that lockout feature would definitely be beneficial for the Nasdaq. 36 points on 18 or 15 contracts, I believe, is like $1,100 if I'm not mistaken. Hold on, 36 times 2 times 15 contracts. So that's like almost 11. It's 1,080, and we can consistently do 36 points a day. We can consistently do that. Or 18 contracts time or 36 times.
And I might try to bounce it here, to be honest.
Yeah, we can do that.
It is in 4 hour demand right there. We tapped into it. Uh,
I mean, I think we're trading lower. Nah, nobody's buying this gap. There's nobody buying this gap. Nobody's not gonna buy this gap.
I mean, yeah, that would
But
be
oh yeah, you're on the
foolish.
September contract. You're on the September contract. Um,
Yeah,
yeah, you talking about that 9 year because we talked about that 903 area being an area where they buy. Um,
you did say
no,
that.
they don't buy this. They don't buy the 903. It may bounce here, but they don't buy it here. I don't think so because the structure just looks weird. Like it's. Let me get on a smaller time frame to look at it better. I mean, yeah, I mean they bounced it at 903 like we talked about, but I mean, I don't know. So they buy it at 903. They may reject it at 37, but I think this continues to go down. I think this continues to go down. I think we might get bulls being really interested in buying at 813 possibly or 826. 826 to 813. But yeah, I think this is trending down. This is definitely trending down. I wouldn't buy this. I think you're good in your short. You should you're good in your short, man. I know as soon as I do this, it's gonna trying to hurt my feelings. So what like 2K 23 to 9K minus like 23. Um, what would that be? Five contracts. at this point. All right, here comes that algo. We all know that the algo likes to favor the bullish side, or at least it has been. Let's see if it's going to favor the short side today. Okay. And so make this one, delete that, and make this NQ. I gotta remember not to take trades off this damn chart. All right, so let's see if we can find like a. Let's see if we can find an anchor on this. Oh yeah, this is the September contract. I forgot about this. Keep forgetting about that. Let's see if this will work. You said something about that 837 level? 837. Let me look at the other 837. Yeah, okay. So yeah, we might get a bounce here at this golden fib at 837 because at least on the higher time frame chart, we do got the 50 EMA sitting right at 835. We got the 835 on the 50 EMA, and we got the 200 EMA sitting at 696 on the September contract. So we could see a bounce, and I guess they did bounce in at that 903 area. They did bounce it there.
I end up giving back 500.
You said you gave back 500?
Yeah, I was up like 1,000. Gave back 500 on the trail. Yeah, I knew. Okay. Whatever. Next setup. Can't cry about spit. No. Look at the next one. We take this.
And so we just got to break out of this downtrend. We just got to break out of this downtrend. But we can obviously see that VWAP is sloping to the downside. Let me see. Let me draw this out real quick. About like right there. Hmm. Let me see. Hmm. Oh yeah, especially on the ES. Yeah, I don't. I mean, we'll see. We'll see. I mean, the ES is always going to lag the NQ, and if the ride is over, if the ride is over for the ES, because we've been getting some crazy price action on the ES lately. I mean, we had 100-point days on the ES, 20, 30-point days on the ES. The question is, when is the ride going to be over on the ES? Because it does look like it's trying to trade back into this range right here, but for now, the bears are holding it all. I still wouldn't try to short this. Obviously, if you're an ES trader, I wouldn't try to short this. It is still in a downtrend. However, you'll be shorting low. This ain't the NASDAQ, so taking a short here may work, but it is a low percentage trade, especially when you got the 21 EMA sitting at 486 on the hourly chart. So that'll be a stressful short. A stressful short. Obviously, the better trade would be at the top of this range right here at 503. That would be the better short. But if you want to take this trade, just understand that this is a low probability trade right here. That's interesting.
Well, what you see?
Nah, I'm just reading the comments on Think with Bookmap.
Oh,
Someone said that he said what?
they saying?
Someone said that the NQ tried or the Bears tried twice and they failed to take this down, so it should pump. It's interesting because obviously not a lot of people use technical analysis to trade the Nasdaq. That's why I said that was interesting because he'll be absolutely correct. However, in this situation, I don't think the Bears have failed. Not on the Nasdaq. Not yet. They have not failed. The Bears have yet to fail. I mean, the Bulls were able to break out of this trend line, but as you can see, it still preserved this high right here. Price would need to trade into this range in order for the Bulls to, or the Bears to 100% fail, is if they break above this range and begin to trade higher.
Yeah.
But until the Bulls get it back into this range, the Bears are still in control. So just be mindful of that.
Yeah, they
And you can
could.
see it on the hourly chart that the Bears are still in control. You said what?
So I see two different things. They could drop it here if the Bears, regain complete control. They could drop it here, or they could push it a little bit higher, and then, like you
Mm-hmm.
said, probably can get to that range and then reject there. But we'll see.
Oh my! I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that, but we're gonna rock with it though. Or at least I'm gonna rock with it.
You gonna rock with it.
I'm rocking with it. 'Cause I didn't mean to do that. What I meant to do was actually um sell stop and put it underneath this low right here. That's what I meant to do. But um like $80. Hmm, okay.
There you go, baby. I'm in the longs.
Again, when it says the switch up is crazy. Nah, like I said, I still think the Bulls. I think the Bears still got this. I still think that they got it. I still think they got it. I'm not. I switched all my contracts to switched it all to September on NinjaTrader, so I have no reference at all. So we're just gonna have to. I think they fail.
Hey, intraday traders gotta switch it up. Based on structure and conditions, baby. Shoot, you saw me catch along. When the market's looking bearish, I took the longs. Actually, I've been in the long for a minute. I'm not gonna hold you.
Yeah, I kind of figured because we get it when you get quiet. We
No,
kind of
no,
know at this
it's
point.
not that I was trying to hide it or nothing. I was just looking at different things, and I'm like, okay, I see
No, no, no,
this, I see that.
no. Not that you're trying to hide it, but that you're concentrating and trying to make
Oh,
sure that you didn't fuck up. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. But then I got called away from my freaking computer. I'm like, man, damn it, this is a crucial time. Y'all over here wanting some bull crap. Can't you see I'm trying to trade? Leave me alone. Whatever you got can wait. Yeah, baby.
Actually, you know what? You know what?
Probably should just take
We'll see.
this. I probably should just take this. But then watch
It's
it shoot up points.
ugh.
Come on, baby.
Well.
Yeah,
Mm.
it ain't completely breakout yet. So, could see some. It has to break that in order to go higher.
Yeah, you talk about that high right there. Yeah.
Yeah, could see some.
Yeah.
It's okay. Look at these orders real quick. It's gotta break it. Got my targets in the area though. Target filled. Bulls gonna be bulls. They gonna be bulls, baby. Gonna be highly regarded.
Hmm. All right. Well, it looks like the Bears are about to fail. They don't. If they don't, they're not successful here and holding them off. They failed.
They about to find out.
They about to fail.
Okay, I'm gonna take some size off because I am a little
Try
bit.
this. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. Mm,
Find out,
I'm
baby.
trying right here.
You trying short?
Yeah, because I mean, if they fail here, I think
I
that's
don't know.
good
I
right
think
there.
I think they got a little bit more, a few more, like 15 to 20 more points.
Probably at the top of this range at what 980.
Yeah, that's all I was looking at. I was looking at up there. I'm like, yeah, because that wasn't the short. That wasn't it. It'll come, but that wasn't it.
Mm-hmm.
That ain't. I mean, that was catch you some 40 points or whatever it was, but yeah, that wasn't it.
And I got this just in case down here. All right, so we swept this high. We
Come
swept it.
back to there.
They may want to try to protect this high. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see if the Bears are going to be absolutely weak here. Hold on, hold on. Are we on a September contract
If you
on Top Step X?
if you close to 20K, then yeah, you and the
Okay, so my bad. I guess we are on a September contract on Top Step X. Hold on. Did this just no way.
did it change by itself?
It probably did. It probably updated. Because there is no way. Because I know I was looking at this morning. Or maybe it did. Okay. I guess it don't matter at this point. Yeah, I think it probably updated. I think that's probably what happened. All right, so Top Step X is on the September contracts now.
Mm. Oh, they could drop it here too.
Yeah, because I was like, dude, I know I'm not tripping. Yeah, okay, so yeah, it's just it's a September contract now. All right, so let's look at this for real. All right. Mm,
Sometimes you just gotta go against what everybody's expecting. Everybody expecting the big short. It's been stair stepping down all pre-market. I'm like, nah, that ain't the short.
mm-hmm,
You could have caught it for a nice little scout, but that ain't the real short that we want, that us bears want.
mm-hmm.
You can get it here, but I think we got 15, 20 points maybe. Maybe. I mean, I want to see a 20K touch, but I don't know if they're going to be bold enough to take it back that high.
Mm. Like I said, probably like let's see. Where's that high at? Yeah, we might get a sweep of this high, but it does look like a failure pattern's about to happen right here. It
I'm gonna
does starting to
tr-
look like
I'm gonna trail just to protect my gains that I've made now, and
yeah,
I
it does look
hate
like it's about to fail right here.
to trail so tight, but I gotta protect the gains made.
Hmm.
Oh damn. Okay, 82.
Yeah, don't let it. Uh, all right, so let's look at the ES real quick. Huh. Man, I ain't gonna lie. This short on the ES does look. This does look like a short opportunity on the ES. It does look like it. Hmm.
Mm. I'm trying to see if NQ could get to my 23% up here and then reject, but it's looking like it's trying to come down here, break even trail.
93.01. Okay. Well, I don't know. I don't know. That's it. It don't look right. Oh, that's not yeah, because I didn't do it right. I didn't do it right. Hmm. Ordinance should be 2006, 2006. 26.
They sweep it that high though? I don't think they sweep it that high.
Okay. Yeah, right there. Hmm. Okay. Okay. All right. So I can't get above this high. All right. So the Bears did come back in here. I mean, shit. If the Bulls get it above this high, they fail. This is where the Bulls fail, or the Bears fail. All right. So we did get that drop back down, but we'll see. We'll see if the Bears are still weak and the Bears are still weak. Hmm. See if we can get an earlier entry on this because we can put our stop above this high, or I guess we could keep it right here. So, get back. Oh yeah, I forgot. Gameway is now short. He says he's a bear now. Gameway says he's part of the bear club now. Don't act like that was you, Gameway. That knocked price down like that. Uh, yeah, we're gonna need to break this low, but then you still got the 50 and stuff right here. Uh, we'll still take it. We'll take it because at this point, if yo, that would be crazy. Yo, that would be crazy if the price gets all the way back down here and make this 14K, baby. All right, so where can this go? Where can this go? Um, yeah, we don't have to be greedy. We can get this today. We can definitely get that. I think that's doable. It says towards that double bottom. It says bottom on the daily chart. Let's look at the daily chart real quick and see what MYA is talking about. The daily chart. That dude has about a couple more days. I think. Actually, we don't care. We don't care. We don't care. We don't care. All right. So we're on the September contract now, on the Nasdaq, and you said the double bottom on the daily. Are you talking about right here at 936? Yeah, I can see that. I can see that happening. They're gonna probably want to protect this low right here at 904. So yeah, we can possibly get somewhere in this area. But the way that this is looking, we still have this break of structure here. Oh, this is a 1 hour chart. My bad. This is a 1 hour chart. I thought I had it on the daily. My bad. Um, so 760. You talking about 760? NYA? Can price get to 760? 760. I mean, in order, well, I guess it won't happen. That should, it may take all damn day for them to do that. Yeah, gain weight. Pushes things down. Add more size to it. So 760, huh? Well, the most I can make on this account would be this right here. The real question is, the real question is, will the Bears hold this off? That's the real question. Will the Bulls get one more hurrah before going down, or just in case? Well, because they're going to probably run these highs if we get to them. They're going to run these highs, and if they run these highs, then that's kind of over. If I put it all the way up here, that'll be 19K, and that's a lot. That's a lot. Hmm. I'll put that there for right now. For right now, that's where I'll put it. But I do think that the market is about to drop. It's just on the Nasdaq. You already know how she is. So I haven't been trading my funded Top Step account. I have not been trading it. Honestly, I haven't been trading my PA accounts in a while. Well, honestly, I think if price does get down here, I'll begin to trail it. I don't think the way that this is looking, they may try to stop it here. We'll see. We'll see. Hopefully, we can get a crash past this level, so we don't have to make that tough decision about either getting out of this position to protect the gains or letting it ride. I think in a sense of consistency, and that's the goal. I guess I should kind of put my money where my or actually do what I said I'm going to do. Like I said, I kind of hate that. No more than $1,500. Liquidate and block. I think that right here on the NASDAQ is probably the best thing to do on the NASDAQ because we know how addictive she is. It still gives us enough room to still make money with her. But once we hit that 15K, actually, mm, mm, all right. So 15K or 1,500. Mm, all right. We can make it so 18K. Oh, no. God damn it. No, you gotta stick to it, man. Like I said, this is hard because I know that we can do a lot more with the NASDAQ than a measly $1,500 per day. However, I understand that she can be very addictive. Mm. And this move right here, this is our 36 points right here. All right. Okay. Okay. So actually, for anyone that cares, so trading the NASDAQ, what is your profit target goal? Like, what are you trying to reach daily? Is $1,500 on a daily basis enough? Are you want to do for 1,800, 2K? What is your daily goal when trading the NASDAQ? I think mm, you try 1,800 over 800. Hmm. All right, so hit. Uh, so we got our 36 points. Um, this should be it for this account. We caught this. Mm, uh, okay, that's a good trade. All right, I'm gonna lock this account. I'm locking it. I'm locking it. Oh my god, yo, this is hard, yo. This I'm gonna lock it. Okay, this all right. It's locked. It's locked. Good thing we took our profit. God damn. That's why we. God. Yo, my name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the incubating. God damn. I'm not gonna lie, that was hard. That was definitely a hard trade, but or it was hard to close out because because I know that we was going to get this bounce, but then I know that we're going to get another, or it's highly likely that we're going to get another leg down. But we locked in the profits, and I guess that's what matters. I guess that's what matters. But let's actually let's recap this. $36. Okay, man, I'm addicted to the NQ. Addicted to the NQ, baby. Okay. Overnight recap. So we had a massive gas up. So overnight we had a massive gap up. Over the weekend, top step X. So that the market was trading, and there was a massive dump before this pump. Obviously, it's not official. All right, so was there news being released? No, there was no news. We saw the market he was trading on, short. Why might I take this trade? And so what I was looking for in this trade, I was looking for price to trade back into that range and either reject from the bottom, which honestly it never does on the NASDAQ, or the top. Where do you plan on getting in at? Around 980. And I was looking for a failure down. Once we saw that failure, I added to the position, and we saw a massive sell slash stop out. Or we can just say that a stop run. This is where do you plan to stop out if you're wrong? So the reason why I was adjusting my to kind of recap this trade, the reason why I was adjusting this, and this does look like this could fail here. It does look like it can fail here because the bears are trying to come in here at the bottom of this range. However, because we made a higher high, it is it is unlikely for the Bears to be successful. I'm going to assume that they're going to want to try to test the top of this range, probably this left shoulder right here.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. I had to leave. I had to leave the computer. Well, I protected myself. But
Uh-huh.
man, I could have got back in long. Oh my god, I missed the whole freaking thing. But
Did you?
I had to leave. Yeah, I've been gone the whole time. I was listening for a little bit. I was like, man, shoot, let me put some dang trail to stop. Put a trail and stop just in case. I mean, I would have had I not, if I left it completely open. Obviously, it bounced, and I'd be right back in the same area that I was when I left. But yeah, I wasn't about to take all that pain. Man, I was like sitting out there, my position. What is going on? My name is Brandon, and I'm addicted to the end.
The NQ. And boy, is she one hell of a drug. Man, she's one hell of a drug. I can't leave her alone, man. I really can't. I really can't. I feel alive when I trade the Nasdaq. I don't feel alive when I trade the ES.
Yeah,
I
I
don't
wonder.
don't feel alive.
I wonder if it double tops here, or if it pushes higher.
Actually, let's look at the ES. We could possibly take a trade on the ES. We could possibly take the. I'm gonna take it, man. We're gonna take it. Let's take it. Our risk, like I mean, yeah, yeah. Let's take it, man. Let's take it. Let's. Uh, uh actually, nah. Let's wait. Let's wait. It's not done. It's not done.
You hit your P and L. I heard you say you locked yourself out earlier. What happened?
Yeah.
You
Oh my
turn it
God, that
off?
was hard, bro. Yeah, I locked it, man.
Okay.
Uh, let's do it. Why not? Let's let's see what happens, man. Let's
What are we doing?
No, I can't do that. That's not a good short. But that might be a good short. That might be a good short. I'm gonna take it, yo. I'm taking it. I'm gonna take it. I'll take it. I'm gonna take it. That might not be a good short, but I'm gonna take it though. Because I mean, what I will really want,
Mhm.
nah, nah, nah. This is the ES. This ain't the Nasdaq. I'll be in for some pain if I do that. Uh, this does look like a good short on the ES because we are in this range. You can see that they got to the top of this range. They double topped this range. You know what, man? This is good, man.
Good for the
Because I
shorts.
can just I can put my stop above this high. I can put my stop above this high. He says no. I don't have the balls that Brandon got. I copy trade the ES, but I would never copy trade the Nasdaq. You talk about balls, yo.
Hey,
No,
I've been
that's
through so
Brandon.
much. I've been through so much pain with the NQ that I'm just used to punishment. Ain't that sad? Oh, he's used to it.
Okay, so let's see. Let's see.
It's my first
Let's
target by
see.
a tick, bro. I'm so sick of NQ playing these games with me.
Yeah, she'll play him.
Like,
She'll play it. No, I only. Oh, go ahead.
why you missing my target by a tick? That's devious work.
Yeah, that's
Devious
why you got to front run her at all times. At all times, you got to front run her.
at all
But yeah.
times.
This is the only account. So 766 is the account that I copy trade. 766. But I haven't seen a good setup on that yet. And this is my 50K account. I just want to see what happens. The way the structure is looking, if it gets above this high, I'm wrong. But at the same time, I don't want to miss it if I'm wrong. So I mean, I don't think I need this much risk on it, but at the same time, I just keep it at 5. It's not a big deal. I'll keep it here. All right, so yeah, we get a run of these highs. Yeah, we're definitely gonna get a stop run. So the Bears they're definitely going to be motivated to protect this double top right here. So we may not see too much traction above it on the ES. However, I mean the Bulls have been definitely regarded, but we hit that 20K target that everybody was looking for. And our boy Gain Wade said that he gonna keep adding to this market. He gonna short this shit. So we're trusting you, Gain Wade. Us Bears, we're trusting you. Don't let us down. You know, it'd be funny if Gain Wade's friends, if they said, "Fuck it, fine, we're bullish now," and Gain Wade is the only one that's a Bear, and he's still kicked
that
out the group. He's still kicked out the group.
would that would
Nobody want to hear your Bears thesis.
be. I mean, Bears. That's true. They could take so much pain and then they flip, and then by the time when they flip, it's like, damn, I'm still on the wrong side.
Yeah, Bears get no love. No love.
Gotta be a seasoned bear, baby, to recognize these drops.
Hmm.
Oh, that's a short. My bear sense is tingling. That's a short, baby.
Yeah, you definitely got to be an experienced bear to see these shorts, cause uh, You can miss them.
Oh,
But I mean, this what makes being a bear. I mean, you definitely have to have balls of steel being a bear, definitely, because if you get blinded by the momentum, you'll definitely close out of a winning position like I did on Friday and flip and find out.
find out.
All right, so let's look at the Nasdaq. Yeah, so the Nasdaq rejected here at this small. I mean, if you look, we have a small little range that the Nasdaq rejected from right here. A range within a range, baby. This is Inception, so you can see it and reject it from there. And this is why I was like, with the Nasdaq, I'm glad I got out of here at this level,
Yeah.
but I'm so used to just the drawdown that it's like, well, shit, it ain't my target, so I don't care. But we can't trade like that no more. Because what I was looking at on Friday, I mean, they changed it now, so I mean, I guess it doesn't matter. But what I was looking at on Friday, so obviously, uh, where they stopped me out. So they stopped me out here, or was it here, or where did they stop me out at on Friday? Mm, or maybe it won't show it on this chart. But after I got stopped out, I was looking at the price action, and there was a lot of areas where I could have just added to the position, like taken off at the highs, like partial of my a partial of the position, have it come back and retest and re-add what was taken off, excuse me, for another retest of the high. And I'm gonna try to see if I can come up with a strategy to safely do that. I mean, obviously, I'm gonna have my ranges drawn out. We're gonna look at the golden fibs. We're definitely gonna like really reverse engineer the Nasdaq and get the most amount of money out of her because the ES is cool, but you only have one or two really good opportunities to make good money with ES with the managed risk. With the Nasdaq, shit, you can make that money real quick. And yeah, NYA. That's what I'm focused on. That's why I don't trade none of my funded accounts because I know that once I get into that funded account, it's fuck everything. I want my target. Let's make this money. I don't care.
Yeah.
We ain't writing in the journal. If we see a short, we taking that shit. We taking it. And either we gonna blow the account or we gonna make the money. And that's something else. I mean, this is a good way to actually try to move away from that mindset because I do begin to trade like that in my funded account where I'll go in heavy. Obviously, I'm taking good trades, but I get greedy. I'll see that the 23% is right here, and then I tell myself, oh, it can get to the 50%, and then I watch it reject, and it's yeah,
Yeah, how many times have we all done that? It could go lower.
yeah,
It could go higher.
yeah, yeah. So like I said, this is like a double thing for me. Like I'm gonna keep it in the evals. I just keep buying evals um, until we get like a really consistent strategy. I think the 36 points on the Nasdaq is definitely a great strategy. 36 points is easily obtainable. Easily obtainable.
Oh yeah.
We just got 36 points in like a couple of minutes. And if I broke my rule, I mean, yeah, all that work would have been taken it back. But I know that the market is going to crash down. I know it's about to crash down because I'm a bear, baby, and I can see it.
Get your bear goggles out. Get your bear goggles.
Mm. But I wonder. So obviously, what the Bears are going to have to do. So what I think they're going to probably do here, I think they're going to probably chop price here. What I'm thinking the market is waiting for, and let me see if I can just draw this out. So what I believe the market is waiting for, because we all know that the 200 EMA is like the night. Like if VWAP is God, we can, and the 23% is Jesus. That 200%, what is that? What's underneath that? Um, anyway, this 200% is definitely crucial. What I'm thinking that they're waiting for to do, I'm thinking that they're waiting for the 200 EMA to come up here. I think that's why they're chopping. So they're waiting for it to trade slowly up like this. And once we get a breakdown of the 200 EMA, we might get a pullback. And that's when I think we'll see that breakdown because they've held off this range. They protected this range. They protected this high. And they protected the bottom of this range right here. So we might see another bounce here, but what I think is more likely is probably going right back down into this trend line. And actually, let me actually extend this out. See if I can extend it.
Hey, I'm in the shorts, baby. Where my bears at with me? Where my bears at with me? First TP hit, baby. Let's get go.
Yeah, I think they're gonna try to trade it right back down into this trend line. I think this is where it's gonna do. And this is why I was so. This is why I didn't want to close this short because it's highly likely for it to do this. But what I, uh, we'll see. Uh, Bears unite in the chat, baby.
Got bears of all colors. Brown bear, black bear, polar bear, teddy bear.
Where's Joe Rogan at? You gotta put Joe Rogan in there too, because he's a bear. Joe Rogan is literally fascinated with bears. I want to know what's the story behind his fascination with bears, man.
I don't
He
know.
always finds an excuse to bring up bears in a conversation. We could talk about astronomy. He was like, "Is there bears in space?" It's like he has this fascination with bears, man.
Hey, bring them in the conversation, man. Hey, when these feds speak, though, I think we got, how much longer we got till they start speaking?
Let's see. Yeah, you can look at that daily chart. This red candle. All right. So we got them at 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Yeah, 11 and 12. And we got a G7 meeting at 11 o'clock. So, all right. So from what I've seen or from what the economists are saying about the about Saudi's deal, what
Yeah,
they're saying is that majority of the transactions will still be in the US dollar. What this deal does is it allows Saudi Arabia to not exclusively do it in the dollar, which means that it can do it in the yuan or the RMB for with China, and it can still do business with the US. Majority of people are still going to convert into that petrodollar, but this opens a door with China because China is already China and Russia is already de-dollarizing, so they're not going to do or they're not going to want to do transactions in the dollar. Obviously, if they have to, they have to, but this is just that first step away from the United States dollar being the world's currency. So we'll see how the United States is going to respond to that. But for right now, majority of the transactions will still be in the United States dollar. So I want to let I wanted to state that. Okay. And this is what I'm saying. Like I think the ES is about to go back to being the ES, guys. So um yeah, I think the ES is going back to being the ES. Because for the last hour or for the last couple of minutes, price has been trading in this range.
Bears are so weak.
So yeah, I know, right? I know. It's pain. Oh, there we.
Whoa.
I was about to say. Yeah, you saw
Whoa.
that?
Yeah.
About to say there we go. So yeah, they're like the Bears are protecting this area. They're protecting it. But I mean, yeah, we probably. I mean, if it gets above this, we're gonna probably see a stop run to this high. But I don't think I don't want to get caught up in the momentum. I kind of want to stick with the structure. But it does look like the Bears are in trouble. The Bears are not going to want price to trade above this high right here. They're not going to want to trade above this high, and especially they don't want him to trade above this high. So I do expect for the Bears to try to protect this area on the NASDAQ, or at least this range high on the NASDAQ. They're obviously going to want to protect the bottom of this range, because if the Bears can get this move down, we can definitely use the stops underneath this low right here to fuel this move down lower. The stops underneath this low and the stops underneath this low to get that move down. So that's the goal of the Bears right now. Obviously, the Bulls are saying, "Nah, we regarded in this," because you can see that, of course, they're making higher lows, and you really don't want to see a higher low, obviously, because we can see that move and we can get the same leg going higher. So let's actually measure that leg real quick. Yeah, look at that. Weak ass Bears. Yeah, so we can definitely see something like this if, and well, what a coincidence. What a coincidence. So what I want to do is mark out this high right here and see if the Bulls are going to try to get it past that. Because if the Bulls do get it past this, I mean they have all these stops to get it above. They have all these stops to get it here above this high. You got the stops above this high, and you got the stops above this high. And if they really want to get regarded, they can try to take out the stops above that high. But the Bears are defending it. They are definitely defending it, but the momentum is definitely bullish. So this is just we just have to be prepared for this if you're a bear. Yeah, I think Smith, we was talking about, I was like, man, I ain't gonna be a bear no more. Here I am still being a bear.
Yeah. I don't want to be a bear no more.
Yeah, being a bear is definitely addictive. It's definitely addictive. It hurts. But then when you see an opportunity, it's like, you know what, maybe it'll work this time. Maybe it'll work this time.
This time will be different.
He says, I'm not a bear, I just trade a lot. Yep. I don't want to be a bear no more. I'm not a bear, I just trade a lot. But yeah, it does look like these yeah.
Weak in the
Okay, so
streets.
we do got this move here on the ES. We did get that stop run higher. Or not a stop run higher, but we did get a swipe of liquidity above these highs. And it does look like, yeah, I think it might be over for this position right here. We'll see. I'm gonna want to put it a couple of ticks above that high right here. A couple of ticks, 55. You put it at 56.25.
Against Bears.
56.25. I know, man. That is weak.
Unless
Can't hold
they
off a rotation down.
unless they trying to form this head and shoulders, that would be something. But they y'all weak.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Strong bullish freaking momentum. Eh.
Yep. All right. Okay. Yeah. All right.
Yeah, man. These are my targets earlier when I was a bull. Y'all could have freaking did this earlier, then dropped it. Freak.
So the question is, are they going to want to defend this high right here on the Nasdaq? I'm not on the Nasdaq, on the ES. Are they going to want to defend this high? So let's actually recap what they did on the ES. Let's recap that. So obviously we got this failure to take it higher. The bears broke it down. The bulls brought it right back to this range here at this neckline, and we dropped. That's once. So they dropped it. The bulls took it. So this is once. The bears took it higher. They tried it twice. And now the market is using the stops that were above this high as fuel. But I'm wondering if they're going to protect the highs above right here. I wonder if they're going to protect it or if they're going to take it out. Yep, stops gone. Stops gone. That's why it's dangerous being a bull in these streets, man. Or not a bull, a bear. Well, I guess we learned a lesson and look at where the market tried to get to. Isn't that interesting? So I think this right here solidifies what I said earlier. I think this will be definitely the new rules that I'm going to start following on the Nasdaq. If I stayed in this position right here, I would have got stopped out. Dude, that looks like a short. Hey, are you seeing this? Does that look like a short to you?
Wait, hold on. What are you looking at?
That looks like a short.
Uh,
That looks like a short. That looks like a short.
yeah.
But they might try to bounce it here at this 21 EMA. That looks like a short. I'm gonna try. Why is my order getting rejected? On the MNQ. Oh, this is the account that I locked out. Okay. Oh, this is the account I locked out. All right. Yeah, if they break this level at 93, it might get to 2006. We might get to 2006, but that 93 level is definitely going to be a very crucial level for the Bears. They have to, dude, they have to come in here. They're gonna have to, because if we get a run above this high, you know what? I'm gonna try it. I'm trying. If you get a run above this high, the Bears are done. Actually, what I should do actually is. What I think the market is trying to do, I think the market is trying to get to that high actually. And we may see a rejection there. Okay, that's fine. That's what I wanted. Unfortunately, that sucks, but that sucks. All right, so there goes the stops above that high. I'm thinking they're trying to get to this high up here at 12. Lesson learned. All right, so let's see. Let's see what they do here at this top. Let's see what they do. Because I'm thinking that they're going to at least try to bring this back into this range right here. So that's what I'm betting on. I'm betting they're going to at least try to take it back into this range. Because damn. All right. Let's see. Bears are definitely weak. God damn, you're so freaking weak, Bears. All right, so let's see. They're going to want to try to sell this down. We do got the 21 EMA here at this old area of rejection. Yeah.
Probably get to like 20 or something before the big drop. I don't know.
Let me look at this real quick.
It's like
Let me look
bullish
at
is,
it.
yeah, yeah, some weird structure there. When was this? Friday. Friday.
And we have news in an hour. We got the Fed speaker in an hour. So where's the Fed speaker in an hour? So I'm thinking we at least get back to the top of that range. I think we get back to 83 at least. All right, so let me see. This is all the way up here at 50. Hmm. You know, that would just suck, man. That would suck. All right, so if you're in this short, just be mindful. I think the market is trying to get to the, at least to the top of this range. We may see a bounce here at the top of this range. I doubt that they bounce it here at the 21. They could. I doubt it, but I'm thinking they're going to try to get back to the top of this range. But this is a crucial area for the Bears and the Bulls. This is going to be the battleground right here, this range right here. If we see price come down and we see price stall here, we're definitely seeing this. We're definitely seeing that. There's no question. However, if the Bears are successful here and we get a crash below this low, we have all these stops, all these committed bulls right here. We have all these stops for that move down lower. So it's going to be this range right here is going to be the deciding factor of what direction the market goes into. I mean, technically, we have enough stops. We have enough bear stops that reach all the way down to this level. So we can definitely get a sell stop, turn these bulls into buy or turn these bulls into sellers, and we can definitely see a move down right here, possible for a double bottom or a massive sell run to fill this massive gap that we got. Because let's just be honest, the market's gonna fill this gap. The tricky thing is when is it gonna fill the gap? That's gonna be the trick. And I want to be a part of this short. I want I want this. I want that. I feel like that should be on my resume with the Nasdaq. But we're definitely going to get this gap getting filled. And we have OPEX this week as well. All the contracts are expiring this Friday, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. It's Friday. Let's actually look at that on the let's look at that. Well, actually, technically, I already rolled my contracts over, so never mind. I rolled them over already, so it won't show them. Or actually, maybe I didn't. Yeah, yeah. Mm, okay. Right now, it does seem like the Bulls are trying to find support here at this 21 EMA. And this was that breakdown, that breakout level here at 93. And so it does look like the Bulls are trying to use this as support to push price higher. It says NYA, so place to buy at the fib. Yeah, we already respected it twice. Which level are you referring to, NYA? Let's actually look at this on the let's actually look at this. Top step X. Top step X, man. You keep deleting my damn fib level on this thing. Keep deleting it. All right, so I'm thinking that it's going to be 903, 903 to 993. I think that's where the uh okay 993. I think it's going to be 903. Price is at that 23%. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, that's probably like how they're gonna try to play this. Yeah, if the NQ does that, yeah, she does that. If she shorts right here after stopping me out, after wicking me out, I just put it at 50. 49.50. Hmm. Actually, I think I see a better anchor point. So I'll just remember what I put, but I think I see a better one. 927, 927 to 2017. Yeah, I think that's better. That's it. I think that's it. Mm. 905 to 48. Yeah, it looks like they're gonna try to short it here. Hmm. I might not have that much room for drawdown in this account. Damn it, I'm gonna do it anyway. Oh, this is Nasdaq. I almost made that mistake again. Hmm. All right, so if we do get this drop here, I think this will probably be the most that we get. They're gonna definitely want to bounce it here if price does drop. But we had this massive move down. We're gonna definitely need some. We got the Feds coming in the next 30 minutes. So what does the market want to do? Does the market want to front run the Fed, or does it want? Because I mean, at this point, what can the Fed really say at this point? The Fed can't really say anything that's going to change the sentiment of the market at this point. And yeah, this can possibly 837. Yeah, the Nasdaq is dirty for that, man. She's definitely dirty for that. I literally got ticked out of this one. So what I should have did was I should have put my stop a little bit higher on this one because I literally got ticked out just for her to trade lower. Got ticked out of this trade. If I kept my 27-point stop, had it at 40, obviously I still would have been in this trade. Still would have been in this trade. Okay. So we got the Bulls trying once to take it higher. They pull back to the 21 EMA. We got this. So here they are trying again to break this little area of consolidation right here. We got them trying to break that. But if the Bulls fail to, then I can definitely see a move back into this range right here. We do got VWAP and we do have the 200 EMA. EMA, but I almost allowed my greed to say that it was going to go further.
Yo,
What's up?
what's up with these Bears being so weak out here in these streets?
Dude, I don't know, man. I mean, shit. They were so weak they let the damn Nasdaq stop me. Dude, I got stopped out at the tick, yo. I got stopped out at the tick.
I know
I
that's
mean, it
frustrating.
was in my let's see what happened account, but like, dude, that was still a trade that I unnecessarily lost in. Uh,
Yeah,
and the Bulls they better break this shit. But but I closed the position and locked out the account because the Nasdaq is one hell of a fucking drug. She is a drug. Remember that. She's a drug. Reinforcement to myself. Just stick with the rules. 36 points on the Nasdaq. Uh, with a maximum of a 15 or so. What do you think? $1,500 or $1,800? Because
15 is good.
15
Is good.
with a max of 1,500,
It's,
and once I'll go ahead.
no, I was just gonna say, you try to get that extra. Your plans always get ruined when you try to get that little bit extra.
Hmm. Okay, so I think with the 3,600, that's $1,300 at 36 points. Let me just make sure I'm doing this right. Because usually the most I'll have on the Nasdaq is 18 contracts, but with 15 Nasdaq or 15 micro contracts on the Nasdaq at 36 points, that's not right. I think I would have 18. I think with the Nasdaq, I'm more comfortable with 18. 36 times 2 times 18. That's about $1,300. $1,300 with 18 micro contracts, and we can set Top Step X to lock out at 1,500 max. Set up the to lock out. So let's do that shit now, man. Because I think the ES is going to start trading slower. I really do, and we really don't want to rely 100% on the ES. So like I said, we'll trade both the ES and the Nasdaq, but we're going to want to have plans on both of them. I think that's what majority of what people is going to want. So I'm gonna do that. Honestly, I guess let's just keep it 13. Yeah, $1,300. So 15 or $1,300. Let's see. In a 13 times 7. Yeah, let's keep it $1,300. Let's liquidate and block. Liquidate and block at $1,300. I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready for that.
He
I'm
said,
not
"I'm
ready for
not
that.
ready for that."
I'm not ready for that.
Not ready for
I'm
that
not
kind
ready
of
for that.
responsibility.
Not the personal daily loss limit now. We getting DLL, baby. But we won't get to that point. We won't. We won't. I mean, we don't take trades like that that gets us even close to our daily loss limit on the 150K. We don't take trades like that where we're risking $3,000 on one trade. We don't do that. But we at least need the room to have a couple of tries to get back our money. Cause shit, yeah, I ain't doing that. So I'm not saying if you have a limit, feel free to do that. But I think for right now, yeah, this is it right here. This is it. We can consistently do that. And if you want the fib levels, the anchors that I'm using is this 2017, and 1927. That's what I'm using the anchor of. And you can see that it's definitely it lines up. So that's what I'm using. But if the Nasdaq drops right here, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be highly upset about that because I took that unnecessary loss here. I'm gonna be highly upset about that. But are you still in this trade? Are you still short or long?
Nah, I gave up on these bears.
Oh, so
I
you
gave
cut the
up
position.
on them. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's hard being a bear out in these streets, man. It's hard being a. See, you see how they took away my drawings? Top step X, man. God damn. And you wonder why I don't. I would never move away from Ninja Trader 8, so I don't ever have to. Okay. So I think I had it here at 49.50. 49.50. All right, so it does look like the market does want to trade higher. So honestly, I think getting out of this position where I got out is probably the smart thing. We'll see. The Bulls are holding it. They are trying to sell it off this 21 EM or not sell it, but they're trying to buy it off this 21 EMA. It does look like the Bulls are going to fail. However, they may come back because you're oh crap. Because the price is making this lower low. Price has made this lower low. You can see that area right here. You can see the top of that head right here. And we may get something like that and this. We may get that. But the way that this is looking right now, it looks like they want to trade this higher. If we do go higher, obviously the next level that the market is going to try to get to is that 50 level. But I would front run that at 45, 45, 43. I would try to front run that because we've already taken out this high. Looks like we're going to run this. Well, now look, the market has ran these stops already above this high, and the market is still going up. So, yeah, we may not get no short today. All right, so where did it get to? It got to 23. So, oh shit. Mm. All right, so that was definitely a sweep of liquidity right there. That was definitely a sweep. Mm.
What you trying to say? Now we can go lower?
Way it's looking. Mm. Mm. The way it's looking. Let's see. Let's see.
There's too weak out here. Bunch of
Yeah, the Bears are
losers.
definitely.
Losers. You loser. I make fun of them so they come out.
Yeah. Mm. 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 You know what? Mm. So where was that first rejection? We got that first rejection here at 1920. Mm. Mm. Let's see if we can get back. Mm. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think the Bulls. That was a sweep right there. I mean, do they really want to take this higher? Is the Bulls defying chart gravity right now? Let's see what they do at this high. Let's see what they do. Now that's not even fair, Top Step X. That's not even fair. That's not even fair. That's not fair. That's not fair, dude. That's
what,
not fair, dude. That's not
you,
fair.
what you talking about? What happened?
This thing touched my limit like 10 times just now and it didn't feel me. Mm,
Oh,
that's not fair, Top Step X. That's not fair. That's not fair. Oh, that's not fair. Ugh. Mm, that's not fair. That's not fair. Okay. We got 7. So we'll see what happens with the market at 11 o'clock. We do have a Fed speaker. Let's actually see. Man, that's not even fair, man. That's not fair. That's not freaking fair, man. That's not fair. That's not fair. All right. Oh, Europe stock closes slightly higher. France, blah 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 blah. All right. So let's see if they're going to actually broadcast this. Okay, so they're not going to. Top step X, that's not fair. That is not fair, dude. That's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair, man. Ugh, that's not fair. I had a great entry up here. That's not fair. Ah, that's not fair. Hmm, that's not fair. That's not fair, dude. Ah, mm,
Dang, that sucks. Right at the double
no.
top, you had to win it.
That's not fair. Top step X, that's not fair, dude. That's not fair. Oh, that's not fair. No. Oh my god, top step X, that's not fair. Ah, oh my god. Oh my god. That's not fair.
Dang, bro.
Oh, damn. He says true no music. We need to. Uh, mm, okay. I'm not gonna let this get to me. This is getting to me. Let it get to me, dude. What the- Oh my god, Top Step X, you fucking bastard. Oh my god. Oh. You bastard.
I know you
Oh,
lying.
Top Step X, you
I'm not gonna let
bastard.
this
You
get
said
you.
what?
I'm not gonna let this get to me. I know you lying too.
Nah, game weight. You need to come a little bit harder than that. You need to come a little bit harder than that, game weight. Re-enter the bear chat and say, "Yo, it's time to short this." Man, that was a good entry, man. Mm. But we'll see what happens. We got the Fed speak. We got a Fed speaker in the next 3 minutes. Um, I wonder if they're. I mean, I'm trying to figure out who are they trying to trap. Like, who are they trying to trap? They trapping the Bulls. They trapping the Bears. Which one they trying to trap? Because I mean, technically, I mean, we got a double top. We got a double top. We got a breakdown. The Bulls are buying it back up. It does look like they're gonna probably keep going with this.
Nah, here's your chance to re-enter short up here.
Nah, at this point, that'll be too risky. We're right at the bottom of this range to short it. Where I was at the top of this range at 20, that was like possibly the best place to short with like a couple of points above this high for your stop. If the Bears are going to complete this rotation, but down here, this is too risky. I wouldn't short this. I'm not shorting it. That's why I was like, top step X bastards. I mean, I did look on the ES, and this right here, this is actually a great risk reward short. But they might use this. But obviously, the better short will be up. Excuse me, will be up here because I don't think that I really think they're going to try to come back into this range. Now, if you want to wait for the long, obviously you'll make more money on the long side. Obviously, if you want to wait for the long, that 503 entry on the ES will definitely be a better entry 503 to 500. This would be a great area to enter long. You know the bulls are going to come back in here, and they'll possibly come back and try to retest the bottom like 509. So this would be probably like a 6 to 9 point trade depending on where you get in. Because if they crash this here, I think this will be the strong high. The bulls will probably come back in and test the shoulder, and from here, either the price is going to continue to go up higher or it's going to crash down lower. He said we may have to rethink this bear theory. Hey, the thesis has not been destroyed yet. We will admit, or at least I will, the Bulls have the momentum right now. They definitely have it. They definitely have the momentum right now.
Fed need to come in
Right.
and bring this market down.
All right. Let's see. Let's see how the market reacts. So price is literally frozen here. Okay. Try once. Try lower go twice. Hmm. Hmm. I think your stop is good, gain weight. I mean, as Bears, I mean, I know you've been on the bull side for a while, but this is what Bears got to deal with: anxiety. Will the Bulls hit my stop? I think you're good, man. I think you're good because I mean we had another sweep above these highs. You can see that the Bears are selling it. You can see the Bears are selling it. It's just that they weak out here, man. It's like these bulls just refuse to let this market rotate lower, and it's just been like that for the last 2 weeks, or not the last 2 weeks, the last couple of months. They just refuse to let this market rotate down lower. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. For the NQ, I think if price gets up here, we selling off. So this one, I'm gonna set my sell limit up here. If we get to 47, I'm selling, and I'm going 18. I'm going 18, and I keep my 27 point stop because honestly, I would highly doubt the market goes up higher than this. But we do got a 23% here at that oh god dude. Okay. Freaking top step X, I'm like you. All right, so NQ. And I think yeah, I did lock this. 38, 38, and then there's another one at 44. Okay. Mm. No, like, dude, this is a crap. This is a pristine short setup right here. That is a pristine short right there. Oh crap. Um, we got super this high right here. The bulls are still buying this up. It ain't dropping. I mean, it's going on. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna leave. 47. I guess we know where Gangway's stop is. I guess we know where his stop is. But this is, man, this is a short right here, man. Uh, yo, Bears. Yo, just show up. God damn. That's all us other Bears are asking. Show up. Is they close? Yeah, like, dude, honestly, if this rotates up higher, you already know. I mean, you already know the level game with the Nasdaq. I mean, we passed the 80. We passed they did the 90. They broke into the 100s. They took out the 20. You already know what the next level is. I mean, it's, but this is supposed to be a short right here. Uh, but Gameway, you better add some size. You better add some size to this shit. Or the Bears need to add. If this doesn't rotate lower, if this does not rotate lower, you got to think that the Bears have tried once, twice, three, 4, 5, 6 times to sell this market down. 6 times. You already know that's what it looks like above them highs right there. You know that. The Bears tried 6 times to sell this market down lower and they failed 6 times. Gameway says he ain't gonna short the market in the next 8 years. Mm. Yeah, like I said, man, that's what we say. But shorting the market is very addictive. We just say that to make us so we can cope. But we know we're gonna short the market again. So I'll get stopped out, but I'm gonna short the market again. It's addictive.
Debo Lee. Are we talking again? Are we playing?
Oh, that's funny. Okay. So if I was in this, I would be at break even right now, thinking, damn, should I get out this or should I let it ride, baby? Dude, this is the short, man. I don't understand why these bears are doing this. Like, god damn. This is a short. Short it. Yo, this is an A plus short setup right here, man. Yo, what the hell, Bears? What, like, dude, what the hell? Short it. This is A plus short setup. All right, let's look at the ES. Now, yeah, this is definitely an A plus setup, an A plus short setup on the ES. This is definitely, but mm, hmm. Well, looking at the DOM, they are trying to short it here at 15. I mean, this is a great area to short. This is such a great area to short on the ES. I'm hesitant to take this because the Bears it just is not following through. The Bears are not following through. But you can see on the DOM, people does share my sentiment because this is a great short. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I agree with you, Gangway. I definitely agree. With all the people that's shorting at this level, yeah, there's gonna be a stop run. Man, you Bears are weak, man. Damn. Well, yeah, there it goes. Man, y'all Bears fucking weak, man. Yeah, there we go. Stop run higher. Look at this. Look at the Dom. Or look at the time in sales. Look at that. Did y'all see that on the time in sales? Look at all these people getting stopped out of their position. Look. Oh, this is on the Nasdaq. My bad, guys. My bad. My bad. My bad. My bad. My bad. Look at all these people trying to short the market, though. Look at this. Look at this. People getting stopped out and they're selling it. Mm, weak ass bears. All right. Mm, well, but the Nasdaq still hasn't. Let me shut my mouth because she probably do it. She still hasn't taken out this high. She still hasn't taken it out. But if we look at it closely, we do see that the bulls are trying to find support off this range right here. Damn. Damn. Okay. It looks like they're trying to find support off the top of this range. Yeah. Yeah, the Bears don't want this apparently. They don't want it. They don't want it. Because this was supposed to have been a great, easy short down, at least to the top of the range for, a move back up higher. But the Bulls ain't allowing that to happen. They're not allowing that shit to happen at all. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Okay. All right. You say remove the order? Yeah. 79. No, I'm not gonna do that. I guess the market is like, nah, we tired of y'all. We tired of y'all. Y'all want to be regarded? Let's get real regarded. Let's get these algos and let's get them real regarded. Yeah, I wonder why. Okay. All right, so 904. Hmm. You know what? Fuck it, man. Fuck it. 'Cause this ain't going, man. This ain't gonna go. It's going higher. They're gonna use the top of this range to bounce this thing up high. Nah, I don't want to take that trade. Because regardless of how I feel, this is still the best trade to take here at the top of this range. So I guess what I'll do is actually, if price gets back down here, this is where I'll actually long. I'll just wait because the market, and well, not the market. These bears are just weak, and I guess the only real crash we're going to get is when the bears or when the bulls take their profits. So wherever the bulls want to take their profits at, I'm thinking that they're going to try to make a 100% move, and we might see this 40 level. We might actually see them dump it at 39 possibly. So let's see if once we get to this level right here, what the Bears or the Bulls are going to do, because they're just going to have to take profits of before we see a drop down. And about like 75, 78, about 60, 60 from the 70 to 60 range right here. But definitely be a good area to try to take a long. But I'm thinking that they're gonna probably buy it off of VWAP. So let's see what they do when they get here. Let's see what they do. Mm, let's see what they do here. Probably like at 38.45. I wouldn't be surprised if Smith is long. I wouldn't be surprised. Smith, if you still there, are you long?
No, I'm not long up here.
Are you in? I guess you're not in a position, right?
Nope. What? Nope. Nope. Nah, gang. Nope. Nope.
You sure? You sure you're not in nothing right now? Yeah, that dog wasn't convincing, nope. Nothing.
Nope.
Oh my god, that's so funny.
Hey, I'm free.
Oh my god, my side hurts.
Hey.
Oh man, that's funny. All right, let's see if they're rejected here at this 23%. Hopefully, for those that's out there secretly short, hopefully, and our boy gained weight. Oh man, that's funny. Okay. Hmm. I mean, can it get there today? Can it get there? I mean, because if we break the 50 level, the next level is the 60 level. Can we get there? And then after 60, we know it's 80. I mean, we do got that at the 50 or no, not the 50. The golden fib is at one step or at 2075. Can we get there? Can we get this 2080 today? Uh, hmm. All right, so we just blasted past this 23%. Huh. All right, so He says, I know that no because I created it. No, no. Uh,
Yo,
damn,
what the
yo,
heck is
damn.
going on?
God damn, yo. Rest in peace, Bears, yo.
Oh my
Rest in peace, Bears,
god.
man. God damn.
Yo.
All right, so this 50 level. Let's see, man. Let's see. Yo, look at the ES, man. That's crazy. All right. That's absolutely diabolical in the ES right now. That's diabolical right there. That's why I did not want to short this because I was like, man, that was a great double top, but I was like, man, they're gonna probably keep going. Damn. All right. Bears get no blowout in these streets, man. 49-7. Okay. All right. Yo, that's crazy. All right. All right, man. So uh huh. Damn. How do you short that? How do you short that? Wow. Look at that. Like, dude, look at these three dildo red green candles up. Yo, what the fuck? Okay. I guess the market is not done being regarded at this point.
Bro, look at the king push chart. Like, what?
Look
What?
at that game, man. I know, man. That's crazy, man. All right, so I mean, we about to reach that golden fib. I think it'll be safe to. I'm gonna try, man. I'm gonna try. I'm trying. Honestly, I might try here on this on the ES. This thing has to pull back.
I was short too.
Yeah, we know the no. That's why it's so funny. Oh man, that
That's
was
crazy.
funny.
That's crazy. What in the world? How much higher is this thing? Oh,
Can we get much
that's
higher? Bulls.
you might as well go for 100 at this point. You might as well.
Mm.
I said no.
Mm.
We're just
Yeah, that shit
unstoppable.
is diabolical. It is, man. Uh,
They're just unstoppable. Where's your golden fib at?
uh, is that 72 is that first one, and 75 is the second. I do see that there's a bunch of heat at 75, so I think a lot of people are looking at this level to short on Nasdaq. There's a lot of heat at 75. All right, so we in that.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
What the
God.
fuck? Bro, I went from positive to down 3K. I was up 3K to down 3K. Now I'm at break even. I said, F
Mm,
it. I'm going long. They want to be regarded. I went long up here at the top. Full port game.
damn.
Full port. Y'all
Hey,
want to be
yo,
retarded? Go ahead. Go right ahead.
yo, what in the actual fuck is going on right now?
Exactly. I'm gonna put some protection on this thing just in case.
All right, we got that 80 level. We did touch that golden fib.
We are unstoppable,
Should I do
baby.
it? Should I do it?
Alright, I'm back to plus 1K. I was up three.
Should should I do it? Should I do it? Should I do it?
Ooh, that would be nasty work.
Oh, this is the Nasdaq. Okay, I almost made that same stupid mistake again. Good thing it didn't let me do it. Good thing it didn't let me do it. I think. I think. Let's see. I mean, do we see a move like this? Do we see a move like this? Honestly, what I should have did was I should have took this probably on the ES. Should have probably took that on the ES.
Did the Fed say something crazy?
It must have, man. All right, so 888. So I think I put it at like 90 or something like that. Put it like at 90. Oh, yeah, that's good enough, I guess. What was that? 27 points. I'm in at 80. That'll be 107 points. You know what? Honestly, they may come back right here, dude. They may come back to this 50 level and bounce it, man. All right, let's see what the Bears can do. Let's see. Let's see.
Absolutely nothing. But get bent over. Absolutely nothing.
I'm looking to the left, like there's price action to the left. Ain't no price action to the left at all. Oh, yep, there we go. Uh, okay, let's see. That does look like a short setup right there, baby. That does look like it. I think the ES is about to do the same thing. That looks like a short right there. Uh, I think they're gonna try to come back right here. Actually, they may actually do it like right there. Honestly, yeah, they're gonna probably do it right there. They're gonna probably bounce it right there. Fuck. Um. All right. 918. I mean, do we get this? Do we get a breakout? Do we get at least a retest back into this range right here? I mean, obviously all the money is to the freaking long side, but it'd be absolutely crazy to try to gamble trying to get in long when the market is just trading in one direction. So we definitely got a strong move up. And oh yeah, I mean, okay, let's go back. Let's go back to something that I said earlier. Let's go back to something I said earlier because this is definitely a teaching moment right here. When I was telling Game Weight how many times the Bears have tried to short this thing and they failed, let's do the count again. So honestly, this move is not actually not even surprising. We should have expected that move. The Bears failed about 8 times right here. So this is the first time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times they failed. They failed to take price higher 7 times. And we said that that their stops is going to look like this above this high. So we should have expected that actually. That massive move up. Yeah, right now I'm betting on this 80 level. That's what I'm betting on right now. I'm betting this is where the market wanted to take it. Um, if we do get a run above this high, I'll probably reduce my risk. Well, actually, I probably won't. I'll probably reduce my risk actually. Because if we get a run above this high, this just is going to keep on going higher. But I did make a bet on that 80 level. And I think, yeah. But they might try to take it to 100 for real. Bastards. Bulls, Bears. So Gameway, I guess you're not gonna stop the market, not stop the market, short the market for the next 8 years. You're gonna be a perma bull. Full sin, full sin. Well, if they haven't dropped it, that means it's trying to go higher.
Can you get much higher? So high. My
That's
goodness.
probably what the Nasdaq is humming to herself right now. Can it get much higher?
Yep. Oh yeah, it's going up. It's going. Like sending it. They
Yeah,
about to send it. I saw
I
that.
see it.
I saw that order flow switch. They about to send it.
You talk about on the book map? He said he saw
on,
what?
on the DOM, I was looking at the DOM, and all the orders just changed instantly. Like they wanted to send that thing. That's too. Stop it here before 100. It's only 20 more points in the queue. You don't got 20 points in you?
Yeah. You see this massive run up? You see this? Like, dude, this is like five. Like, man, look, the market right now is defying chart gravity for real, man. It is defying chart physics right now. Literally defying. Look how many legs we're up, man. We're up one. Oh crap. One leg. Oh, dude, will we count this as a leg? We'll just do that. So we're up 3 legs right now. There has to be a pullback somewhere. We're up 3 legs. And they're not small legs; they're very big legs. Uh, but excuse me for trying to be a okay.
Does there have to be a pullback though?
Yeah, I was just thinking that I was like, man, shit. Like, yeah, the market is definitely defying chart gravity right now. Chart physics. But I guess Biden's really trying to get that vote. Biden, because what Trump and Biden has a debate coming up, I think. And I read that they actually agreed to mics being muted, which I can really see somebody abusing that, especially not abusing it, but for the moderators to abuse that. Trump started talking, he says something crazy, mute mic, mute his mic, mute it.
Well, that's because he be interrupting people all the time. But I mean, I get it. I wouldn't have agreed to that if I was Trump.
Yeah, that's what I'm surprised. Yeah, I was kind of surprised by that.
And
I mean,
he might use that as fuel if they do mute him.
hmm
Like, see,
yeah,
they're trying to silence me.
yeah. Like I said, that's crazy. It's like, no, you ain't about to mute me. I got some shit to say. I'm gonna say it. You know they're not gonna mute Biden. Like, I mean, honestly, it's just that like I said, I don't get into politics. I really don't care. It's like I said, it's that same bird. It depends on which wing you want to be on, but it's still the same bird. We all know that. But it's like, dude, it's not fair. Like, just make it fair. You ain't gotta cheat. Yeah, that shit's about to send.
They
So let me
pay
let
some
me let me kind of reduce my risk on this one because I'll be literally giving the market $500 for no damn reason,
people.
or 800 for that.
You in right now? Oh, you in the
So I'm in
short?
at that 80 level. Yeah, I'm in short. I got in at 80 level because I'm thinking like, man, I mean, are they gonna? I mean, they blew past 50, they blew past 60, so that next level's got to be 80. If they blow past this, we're touching that 100. We're touching 100 for sure.
And they about to send this.
And they're gonna send this,
They about
man.
to
They're gonna
send
send
it.
it.
Their target is 93.
Uh, they're gonna send it. Hmm.
He said Nvidia not even moving. I don't know. They playing around with this high right here. It's already got wrecked. So what's you might as well just get out of the way. What's the point in trying to be in the way? Already
You know
got
how
wrecked.
stubborn. You know how stubborn bears get. Bears are the most stubborn creatures in this world.
Hey, JC did say 153, but I was like, damn, really 153? Let's get
Uh,
the go. Send it, baby. Send it.
all right, let's look at these fibs.
I need to protect myself because this is a super gamble right now. It's super gamble.
Yeah.
Send it, baby.
Uh,
Send it.
uh, okay. All right. All right. So I'm about to gamble with this, man. I'm about to gamble.
Hey, send that
I'm about to
shit,
put this at my 27. I'm putting it
DJ.
at 27. I'm risking
Send that.
800. I'm putting it at 27. Mm.
Hey, key. Oh, one tick below. Oh, oh. Hey, key. Look. All right. What a wild day. Could have capitalize. I was up 3K earlier in the day, then down 3K, then back to break even. Now I'm up riding these stupid longs, looking for a short all day. I should have been buying.
I mean, dude,
Nah,
dude, looking for a long
they're
after the
full
market
on.
has done all this would definitely been foolish, but
Yeah,
obviously, oh shit, oh damn,
they're full on.
oh damn,
Full regard right now. Full regard.
oh damn, they're gonna probably do it because if they touch this 100 level and break it for going to 220, ah, okay,
220.
we're
Gee,
going to 2020, we're going to 2020. I mean, we already know the cycle. If they break this level right here, we're going to 20.
can we get much higher? Hit my target, baby. Hit that thing. Hit it again. Get it all. Not just some. Get it all,
Uh,
baby. Get
all
it
right,
all.
man. All right,
Get it
all right,
all.
whatever, dude, whatever,
Let's go. Hey,
whatever.
game, wait. I took your advice. Full port long, baby. That's crazy. Y'all want to know where I longed at? Well, the second
Where?
half of my long? 2080.
What's that?
2080.
Uh,
100, baby.
uh,
Wow. Wow. Bears, get out the way. Get wrecked.
oh, okay. Uh,
Wow. Hey, JC, you know what? I'm with you, bro.
mm.
I'm with you.
Congratulations. Oh no,
I'm
no,
with
no, 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 no. Don't do this, Nick. Don't do this. I'm sorry.
you.
I should have went long. Don't do this.
Yo.
Don't do it. Don't do
Alright,
it.
I'm done. I'm done with this. I'm done. Oh my gosh, it's still going. I'm done.
Ah,
I'm all out.
dude, don't do
I'm done.
this.
I'm done. I
Don't
made
do this,
back.
NQ, please.
I
Don't
made
do
back
it.
what I lost. I made back.
All right, I
Nah.
gotta put this up a little bit.
Shiraz. He took his fades out here.
Uh, oh my God. Okay, dude, what?
Wow.
Ah, damn. Okay, fine. Fuck it. Shit, we going full port long, baby. God damn.
Hey, bro. No, it's too high.
Apparently it's not. Apparently it's not. I took a practice short and I'm down 100 points, yo. Like, what the apparently it's not too high.
Yo, you tripping, bro.
Uh,
Oh, shit.
so, like I said, the next level is that 20 level, man. That's the next level. It's that 20 level.
So funny.
Fuck. Man, Bears, I hate you. Like, I hate being a Bear. I hate it.
Oh.
All right, okay.
Now y'all want to come in?
Yo, it better not. It better not, dude.
Now y'all want to come in? Seriously?
It better not. Man. All right, man. Bastards. Let's look at ES real quick.
Now y'all want to come in and do this? Really?
Damn.
This 60K chart is just straight up. Straight up. We had one red candle, and that was at 5 a.m. or 5 p.m. on this. Yeah, what's today? Yesterday. The one red candle was yesterday.
Yeah. Dude,
Nice.
I don't know, man.
Moxie.
Look, that is crazy. This okay.
Moxie.
This action don't
Moxie.
work in this market. My bad. Go ahead.
I was trying to ask Moxie where she longed from. She was aiming for 100.
Mm.
Hey, for Shiro, I had to get my money back, bro. I had to do it. I'm sorry. And now I'm back at break even. I just got one final goal I'm trying to do right now for a psychological thing. I'm trying to see 90K. Trying to see my account at 90K.
Shit. Shit. You know we gotta do it.
He might try to drop it a little bit.
Bastard bears. Bastards. Yeah, they might like I said, they might touch that 20 level and that's or get close to it, and then that's where we'll see that drops, that 20 level, possibly. Uh, mm, Bastard bears. Can't get nothing right, man.
Bro, I made a total. I mean, should I give up 300? Just let that slide, close out my position. Okay, okay, chill out. I've made
Mm,
a total of 9K, 97, but I lost six.
mm.
That's wild.
All right, man. We just gonna have to adjust. We have to adjust. Like, dude, this new market is crazy, man. Ah, this new market, like short setups don't work no more. It just don't work no more.
Hey, man, the Bears got to look for the shorts. Bears got to
Don't
look for
work
the
no more.
shorts. That was wild. Actually, when I saw that accumulation around between 20K to 2020, I should have known.
Mm-hmm.
Should have been building my long position. Can we get much higher?
Actually, I mean, yeah, you're absolutely right. Cause look, they came back in at this golden fib and they bought. They came back in and they dipped it and they bought it here. Hmm. The most we'll probably get is if okay, so if they do drop it, the most we'll get is 88. Well, most we'll get is like this breakout. Mhm. All right. Like I said, I ain't playing with. I'm not playing that stupid game with the Nasdaq right now, man. I'm
Man,
not playing this, bro.
she is wild. Absolutely wild.
Okay. Yeah. We need that money back. All right. So if we get the 88, we'll get our money back, but that ain't gonna be enough. That ain't gonna be enough. I'll put it at 25. I'll risk $400 in this trade. I risk 400.
One last push. One
All
last
right.
push. What you trying to do? You still trying to short this?
You damn right. Damn right. Mm. I think this might be it right here. I think this might be it. I think it might be it.
We said that on the last one, and the one before that, and the one before that.
Man, it was shit. It was supposed to be, but apparently, mm,
The freaking 8 times before that. I need one final push.
yeah.
One last push in Q. Then y'all got
Where
it.
you trying to get to?
I'm not
Where
saying
you
it.
trying to get to?
I ain't broadcasting it. You ain't waiting on build a position to stop it from getting there.
I think Gainway said that he's taking a break for the rest of the day because shit, the market did all the bears dirty today, And honestly, in hindsight, I mean, just really thinking about it, I mean, who's not going to try to short this market and try to fill that gap? Like, who's not going to do that?
Oh shoot. Now. All right. All right. All right. All right.
Like I said, man, I mean, they'll probably try to buy this right back up at 88, man. Even if we do get it, they might try to buy it up at 88. Oh, not 88. I apologize. I'm tripping. I'm not net 88. Um, 39.
Now y'all want to come in? Oh.
Now that's what we talking about, baby. Man, they gonna buy it up, man. They gonna buy it up, man.
Now you want to come in? It's the most straight up chart I've ever seen. Now you want to come in and try to make noise? You don't get the heck out the way. Go sit down. Go sit down on the sideline, Bears. Keep getting clapped.
Definitely, man. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. He says that's why Sherman's salty from time to time.
We got.
Now game weight can go. Hey, you better hug all your bear friends. Yo, game weight, you better hug all your bear friends after this. They say,
Oh, I
y'all
didn't
know
think.
how you guys feel.
I didn't even think about that. Yeah, I know they man. If
I
they
know how you
was,
guys feel.
it's like, if they was looking the short like we were, bro. Yeah, man.
Oh my god. Yo, this is why I would never trade futures with my real money. Yo, this is diabolical. No, well, yeah. Yo,
Yo,
Bears. Bears. Oh my god, Bears. Rest in peace. The
hey Jack.
market's gonna stop me out, but I'm still shorty. So what?
I'm saying Jack. Hey, I was too, man. I was looking. My bear sense was tingling, but apparently that wasn't it.
I mean, come on, I mean, we shouldn't beat ourselves up about this. Down, like, dude, that was a pristine short setup.
Yeah.
Pristine. This is an A plus short setup. Obviously, it didn't work, but you can see that the Bears were trying to short it because this is an A plus bull or bear setup. Normally, what we should have gotten is we got a push above this range and at least a move down to this range. And then the move up would have made sense. Not this crazy ass, we're going to keep pushing until we hit them stops. Like, that means the Fed must have said something.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Let me pull up Financial Juice. See what they said.
And I think I'm going to start doing that like this. Okay, I didn't know it was going to.
Nvidia to get 20% weighting in billions in investor demand, while Apple demoted a major tech fund. Hmm. Hmm. Nvidia trying to. Where they at on the? I need to see some live data. Where they at on the charts? I know Microsoft was number one. It overtook Apple.
Which is crazy. That means that Apple's falling off. So
They've been off.
it does look like Nvidia is trying to, or at least the bulls are taking their profits on this thing.
Dang, bro. Meanwhile, GME here sitting at 25.
Now let's do some GME stuff. That dude better have taken his profits or exercise.
He
But like I said, we're not here
exercised.
to talk about nobody else's position. He knows where he should have got out at.
He
Um,
exercised.
no, he exercised. Okay.
Yeah. He
Yeah, we're not
bought.
gonna talk about nobody else's position.
He bought more.
I mean, the technicals on this suggest that GME is about to go down lower. The technicals on this what it really suggests we're going down lower. Because what day that was? Because we talked about this long right here. We talked about where that long happened at right here when price tapped into this consolidation area. We spoke about this being a great area to go long. As you can see, the market did go back up higher, but then we got this drop. So we got this high or this rejection here at this break of structure, and we got a lower high. And it looks like the market is trading down lower. I think the market is looking for lower prices on GME. If the market knows that this guy has options until OPEX on the 21st, they may try to just continue to grind this thing back down. They might try to take out this low and try to get back into this area right here, back in the 20s, possibly back in the 20s here. But there's no way. I mean, you're going to need some news to break out of this downtrend for this thing to go up. You're definitely going to need some news. But, I mean, if y'all want to
Yeah.
buy it here, you think this is a good buy, it's your money.
Grinding. The Bulls want to keep on buying. Better stay in line. You see a bull like me buying.
Bye.
Grinding.
It's the market makers, man. They try to take my stops as fast as they can. But that's how.
Hey, that was a bar. Bar. That was a bar. I buy them
It's,
dips as fast as I can.
looks like the thing with Bookmap just shut down or something. Or am I tripping?
Mine still accurate.
Is it? Okay, it must be me.
Buy them dips as fast as I can. Grinding. You see a bull like me buying. Y'all bears better stay in line, man.
No, it says we got the bears crying.
Got the bears crying.
Yeah, I ain't never shorting again, man. If this stops me out, I ain't shorting again, man. I ain't shorting again. I'm just gonna have to buy an account that I just know that it's gonna lose just to get my short fixed. I'm just gonna buy it. I don't care how high it is. I'm buying it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh crap, my bad.
Oh my goodness.
Man, all right, man. Whatever, dude. Like these bulls are straight up defying chart gravity, dude. Defying it. So the Bears are gonna have to protect this high right here, man. If they don't, I mean, this shit's done. Shit's done. I do kind of don't want to. Yeah, probably like right there.
But limit buy. I'm bullish, man. I buy those longs as fast as I can. Bars.
Man, bump y'all Bears, man. Nah, we're not doing this. Bump y'all Bears. You're not gonna get my hopes up.
Hey, I bought the
Y'all ain't getting
top.
my hopes up.
I bought the top, and I ain't even worried. It's right at my break even. I ain't worried. That's what kind of market this is. I bought the top. I didn't wait for the pullback. I bought it now I'm in profit.
mm,
Yo, this is wild. They are unstoppable. Hey, go to my target.
mm, 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 mm. Okay. No, Sherm, don't do it. Don't do it. I'm shorting. I'm shorting.
Gonna have another repeat. 500 points.
Dude, we need a 500 point drop, yo. We need a 500 point drop. Seriously. We need a 500 point drop, man, to fill this gap. Where that gap at? Yeah, fill this gap, baby. Nah.
I still see more upside on these higher time frames.
Yeah.
It's because, and then we got a holiday coming up too,
We
Wednesday.
got OPEX coming up as well. I think we gotta be mindful of that because this week is OPEX. I forgot about that. Forgot this week is OPEX. So we probably will start seeing like crazy price action like this, and then when we probably get closer to Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, we'll probably see the market like really turn for the worse. Really turn. Let's see. All right.
Look on bookmark real quick. Okay, see some heat before 120.
Yo, congratulations, Cali boy. Congratulations. And yeah, Jack, this does suck. Being a price action trader has definitely been a gamble. You definitely gambling if you think that you want to be a professional trader? You want to trade structure? You want to trade things that make sense, huh? You want to be a bear?
You got to find out. He's so.
You want to be a bear? Oh, you wanna sell high? Oh, you trying to be smart? Okay, we got something for that ass. We got something for it. Stop run. Uh, all right. I mean, shit. I mean, we're done. We're done for the day. The financial juice didn't say anything about. So it says the latest inflation data is quite promising. Wow, but falls short of confidence needed. Has not quite dissipated uncertainty. Hawker also stated that the long-term stubbornness of shelter inflation remains a concern, as does service sector inflation. Hmm. Uh, Since last week's CPI data was very welcome, but overall progress on inflation in recent months have been modest. So we still forecast slowing but above trend growth, a modest rise in the unemployment rate, and a long glide back to 20 or 2% inflation. That's a weird word, glide. It's as if economic forecasts play out. They don't think one rate cut will be appropriate by this year. Or I'm sorry, it says one rate cut would be appropriate. That's why we got that pump. Okay. Okay. All right. That's why we got that pump right here. I'm surprised it's not red. I'm surprised. It says more data is essential to come to a decision on rate cuts given choppiness so far this year. Says keep rates where they are for a bit longer will help get inflation down to mitigate upside risk. Says monetary policy remains positioned in a restrictive territory. Okay. So I mean, she said, all right. I think Hawker's the female. Yeah, she is a female Fed. I think she said that obviously this one rate cut decision obviously is what these bulls wanted to hear, and we got this massive move up to the upside. But now that the Fed fund is over, I'm not gonna lie, this does look like a great low risk reward short, but I'm not shorting today. I'm not shorting any more accounts. This account right here has to work. If it don't work, well shit. That's it. This short don't work, that's it. No, I don't want to hear $600. I don't
Yeah,
want to get ticked out.
it's crazy.
There we go. That's it right there. That's cool. You said what?
As I said, this is crazy.
Yeah, this one account will be short. And we'll just come back in tomorrow, or we'll come back in later on to this afternoon and see what happens. Um,
Look at Seattle. See what she's been doing.
we haven't been talking about her in a while.
Yeah, I'm still mad at her. Well, she's up on the day.
Unless you, I mean the game that. Well, we'll see. We'll see. Hopefully, it don't need to get there.
I break that high.
Hopefully, 38, 2. I wonder if we can get back down here to 17. You know what? Fuck it, man. Bump it. Bump it.
What you doing?
2017. I think that's where we can get back down to. I think yeah, I'll just keep it here. I'll keep it here because I think the Bulls are going to try to come back in. I mean, they could possibly try to rotate this down a little bit lower. So this is what I'll do. I'll keep it right there. I'll just take out majority of the positions. So I got like 18 on, right? Oh, I got 21. Shit. All right, so I got 21. So I sold, so I need to buy. I'll take off 5 right here. And I'll play it like this. Let's see if your boy Sherm can get lucky and not get stopped out. But I have zero faith in this short.
Man, that's crazy.
Yeah, I know. At this point, I'm high off hopium.
Man, you should have
High
turned,
off hopium.
into a buyer on that last dip. You'd be up like
Man, dude,
30.
dude, that is so hard, man. My bad. Go ahead.
And I was just saying, you'd be up like 30 something points already.
Really? That was 30 points?
I don't know. Let me measure it.
So 90. Yeah, about like 20, 30 points. Yeah, yeah. All right. Well, I mean, well, I can't. Well, yeah, yeah. No, I'm shorting.
Don't do it. No. Put your faith in me.
From this day forth, you will put your faith in me. Crash Card, when we need you. Crash Card, where you at? We need you. Crash Kari, we need you. All right. So yeah, the DOM on the Nasdaq does look like they're going to try to hold up this area. The bears are in above this high, trying to keep this thing short, but the way they're pushing, man, they're gonna push me. They're gonna take me out, man. Bastards, bastards. Uh,
Hey, I think I'm about to close. I'm about to close. I say after I target the close.
don't give me hope like that. Don't give me hope like that. Don't give me hope. All right,
Nah,
okay, all right, all right, okay. Whatever,
they're
dude.
just
Whatever.
pushing this. This is crazy. Dang.
Damn, damn. Huh.
Bulls. Bulls, let's go. Let's get
I
regarded.
guess I should have loaned the top with Brandon. I should have
Hey,
loaned the top. Let me take this off.
you want to know what my entry or my 114? I'm all out,
Yo,
baby.
what
Target hit.
the?
Target hit.
Fuck?
I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm all out. Target filled. Let's go. Let's go.
Damn.
I'm out. I'm out. I'm done. Let's look at my stats. Hold on. Hold on. Let me stop the recording. Stop the recording. I've been recording this whole freaking time. Probably got like a 3 hour video or something since I couldn't.
Okay.
So I made 11K total profit, lost 6, ended up with 48, and it's still going. What? Where is it at? Wow, wow. Ended up with 4,800 profit. I'm done.
No,
80%. Great.
congratulations on that, man.
I'm done.
God
I
damn.
follow this. Y'all have fun with this. I'm about to go. What
Post it in
the
the
heck?
chat. No, I'm about to end
140?
the stream. I'm not.
140? Yeah, yeah. Let me see. I'll show y'all real quick. I'll show y'all real quick. That's crazy. Crazy work, Bulls. Crazy work. And I bought the top twice. Actually, 3 times. 3 times bought what I thought was the top. That's how regarded they are.
Yeah, definitely.
Posting it in the chat. I'm gonna post the. Definitely not the best day though.
Uh, huh.
All right, it's in there, baby. It's in the wins. My chart looks ugly though. I can't stand looking at it. Cause here, I'm gonna show y'all this big L that I took. So in the beginning of the market, I was up, like I said, 3K. Lost that, was down 3K, and then I said, "F it." Got tired of being getting clapped as a bear. I said, "F it." I'll do it. Fine, I'll do it myself. I'll go long.
Just don't do it. It's going short, short. I'm longing. Well, and the market did show us. It did show us. It definitely showed us. But yeah, I think I lost $1,500 a day in that account, unfortunately. Trying to trade professionally, trying to trade quote unquote structure. But the Bulls had something else in mind today.
Bro, it's
The
still
Bulls said
going.
that we're going to not fill this gap at all. Fuck this whole gap. We're going to keep trading up high. And honestly,
Yo,
I think that's probably what happened today. Honestly, I think with everybody that was trying to fill this gap, because usually we will get the gap filled, but we didn't get it today, which is all in hindsight. It shouldn't be a surprise, I guess. But these bulls straight up said once we got a break of this range right here, they
yo,
never looked back after we broke up, and it's still going. God damn.
yo, JC.
still going.
Good call. Good call, JC. About to hit his target. About to hit his.
Yeah.
He said, JC, if you still in the chat, nice.
Congratulations, dude. 153.
153.
Good.
Bam. Target filled. Oh my gosh. Hey, I didn't even see that coming. Nope.
Yeah, me neither.
It's still going. My goodness. My
Uh,
gosh. Hey, hey, JC. Yo. Yeah, let me get out of it. I'm about to go, y'all. Y'all have a good one. I can't watch this anymore. I'm shutting it down.
it's a standard deviation. The June contract's about to hit that 20K too. Hmm.
Wow. You know what? My homeboy used standard deviations. And they work. He was using them for what was he trading? Binary options.
Hmm.
Hey, I'm done. Nah, Alfred, you ain't about to get me. I ain't giving this all. I already gave it all back earlier. I ain't giving it back again. I'm gonna lock it in. I'm done.
Man, uh, man, I should have traded the. I would honestly now. I kind of wish I was still on the June contract. Still wish I was on the June contract now. At least the technicals were working on the damn June contract. What the fuck, man? It was
Oh,
working on the June contract. Yeah. Uh, well, I mean, it don't make no sense now. So what I was looking for on the September contract, they did it on the damn June contract. Fuck. Bastard September contract. All right, so this is the move I was looking for. I was looking for a run underneath this range to tap back into this right here, and then the move up. This is what I was looking for. Like, this was exactly what the hell I was looking for. Ugh. Ugh. Ah. Ugh. Ugh. Ugh.
it's alright.
Ugh.
You'll get them tomorrow or later today if you revenge this, but
Uh,
it's
uh,
all good.
and I mean, like I said, I'm not gonna let it. I mean, yeah, it is frustrating. I didn't think they was gonna be full regarded on the September contract,
Yeah.
and I guess we started with the June contracts early in the stream, if I'm not mistaken. And then when I reset the chart, I think it actually updated to September, maybe. But yeah, this was exactly the move I was looking for on that June contract. It did happen on the September one. Mm, mm.
But
Okay.
all right, John. I'm about to dip. I'll catch y'all tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, Alfred. Like I said, man, it's frustrating. I'm not. It is. It's very frustrating. It's frustrating. It is frustrating. It is frustrating. Like when you talk about the exact move that I was looking for on the September contracts, the exact move was what I was looking for on the September contract. I mean, I'm pretty sure this probably was it, but because we didn't have any price action to the left, I could have sworn, or not sworn, but I figured that they was going to at least try to tap into this. But let's actually look at that. Let's look at that on the. Okay.